Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you kind of the common mistakes that when you try to read numbers from a keyboard and then the result is not what you expected. All right, and then again, this is a Python code. So you can see that in my source code, I try to prompt the user to enter a number for x. So enter number for x, assume I enter 10, and then next statement, I prompt the user to enter number for y, assume I enter 6, and then again in the third line, I do a comparison. I say, hey, if the value in x is greater than y, print out x greater than y. And then another one, I say, hey, if x is less than equal to y, then print out x is smaller, smaller or equal to y. Then you can see that the output, surprisingly, it is x is small, is smaller, or equal to y. But then you say, it's weird. I mean, I entered 10, right, for x, and then this one is 6. How come? I mean, 10 is smaller than 6. So again, that is something we humans think that we enter number, numerical value number 10 and numerical value number 6. But for computers, it say, no, 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 no. My friend, you entered symbol 1 and symbol 6, symbol 1 and symbol 0. And next one, you enter symbol 6. So that's why if you got a chance to look into the either Unicode for Python or ASCII code, doesn't matter, then you can see that symbol 1, the decimal value is 49, and then followed by symbol 0 is 48, but then symbol 6 is having the decimal value of 54. So when the computer try to compare, give me a minute, let me set it aside here. Yeah. So when you try to compare, let's say 1 is what, 49, right? So you try to compare 49 versus, give me a minute, uh, versus symbol 6, which is 54 in decimal representation. Then of course, I mean 6 is the winner. So that's why the output is x is smaller than or equal to y. So again, to fix this problem, no big deal. You can use something that is x equal to, if you want to convert it to float, you can use the float, the real number, and x, then y equal to float. You can use int, it really depends on your need, but then I will just use the float function to convert string representation of 1 and 0 to numerical value of 10, and string representation of 6 to numerical value of 6. And then let me run the program again. Enter a number for x. Let me try 10 this time again, and then the number for y, let me try 6. There you go. So yeah, this one is correct. X is greater than y. All right, I hope that that will be useful to you. Have a good day. Bye.